What's up, YouTube? I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. Not that we celebrated, but if you know, you know. Anyway, I'm going to be making these tuna fish sandwiches to start our day. We are just going to be vlogging. This is just what we decided to do today on this Monday. So, yeah. I understand that everybody makes their tuna differently. So, before you come for me in the comments, do what you do, and I'm going to do me. Okay? Okay. Now that we got that out the way that I make tuna is fairly simple, and if you continue to watch the video, you'll see I legit just add tuna, mustard, relish, mayo, sugar, and I think that's about it. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all enjoy the video.
Stamp on it in a private plane, I lamp on it. Then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with a bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele-oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo ma ko macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No, go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, stamp on it in a private plane, I lamp on it. Then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with a bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Yeah.
So I know y'all looking at this concoction like, what the what? But baby, don't knock it. Don't knock it. So I like to take a little chili powder, just add a little bit to it. Not too much, just a little bit. And then I'm going to mix all this in. And then I like to add a little sugar to it. Okay. So I've toasted the bread. And I'm going to add cheese to this and my tuna fish. I know y'all like ill cheese on tuna fish. Don't knock it till you try it. I just want to add that I did toast the bread in this video. Now, I'm just extra and I really want to use my cookie cutter, but I just don't feel like it's going to work with me. But let's try it anyway. So this is what it turned out, like this. Yeah, we're not gonna do this. We're gonna make some regular sandwiches. My kids gonna be like, Mama, what? We are going to the splash pad, which is free here in Arkansas, and yeah. anything, but come through there. Come on, hurry up. Now leaving the splash pad, I got wet. Did y'all have fun? You have fun, Kevin? Even little baby got wet. But we're about to go and get some snacks to go with our sandwiches and find somewhere to sit and eat. I'm about to change his clothes though in the car because my baby wet. Okay, y'all, we are back in the car. I wasn't gonna sit out there and record the whole time because I had to pay attention to my kids and I could not record and watch them at the same time. Y'all, some little girl, bless her heart, got me and baby boy wet and he did not like that. But I brought him an extra onesie to change in, so he good. Now we're about to head to the Dollar Tree, and get some snacks, like I said, and find somewhere to sit down and eat. Soak up the sun. Maybe we'll frolic today in the grass. Alright, y'all. So we was about to go find somewhere to sit and eat, but they was ready to go home. But now that we home, don't nobody want to get out the car.
Yeah, I do.
Well, he do, but he's outnumbered. So I made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for that one, and then we have tuna fish sandwiches for us. And then we just went to the store to get some chips to go with it to go with the sandwiches. So I guess we're just gonna sit in the car and eat, and then when we eat, we're gonna go inside
And watch our movie.
and possibly watch a movie. Like I told him, I'll probably be watching the back of my eyelids. It's hot and I done got wet.
I got more wet than you.
What are you doing?
Who?
That one.
Which one?
That one. I'm pointing at you. You. So since we gonna sit in the car and eat, I guess we'll just sit here and talk. I'm gonna eat my sandwich.
I'm already digging in. That ain't away.
That in the way? They know that drives me. That in the way. Say that's in the way.
This tuna is good. It used to smell like.
Anyway,
What happened to you?
y'all start school next month. I'm gonna have a 6th grader and a
Second grade.
2nd grader. No, you not. You must have the one with cheese, Kevin.
Put cheese on my peanut butter.
Why would I put cheese on your peanut butter and jelly sandwich? But anyway,
Must do.
are y'all scared, nervous? How do y'all feel about next year?
No. Nothing.
Well, not next year, next month. Cause y'all go back to school next month.
It's because I already got friends in 6th grade and 7th grade. I got no friends.
Okay, then I have cheese.
I got no friends in 6th grade.
You what?
I have no friends in 6th grade. None.
You don't have.
No, actually, you do. I don't have no friends in 6th grade. You got one friend that's being 3rd. I only got one friend. I got a lot of friends in 1st grade.
Okay, so they're going to the 2nd grade with you, so you'll see them.
Oh, yeah. Walk on, dude. Walk on. What's that movie called? What is it called?
Anywho,
It's all about something.
by us eating in the car, you know what? We don't have to worry about no flies. We don't have to worry about ants. No type of bugs. Yeah, when I was at the splash pad and I was holding the baby, the spider was right here. I knocked it off so fast.
He did this. He like this. Adios, amigos.
Their summer went by so fast. Like, they got out like May 24th, and they was out of school June, July, and they go back in August. Like, it was mad short, and it's going by super fast.
When you start acting like a little kid, I mean like kids.
What are you talking about?
Mad, short. You talking about other stuff like kids.
But anyway, y'all, my birthday is next month. I was gonna try to go back home,
Happy early birthday.
but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Okay, stop putting my business out.
A 3 and a 2.
Anyway, y'all, I don't have much to talk about. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog.
And let us eat in peace. But you've been vlogging a lot.
I'm gonna eat, finish eating, get everybody showered up and stuff. That splash pad had so much chlorine and it was crazy. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.